The teaser of the future is here. Samsung is about to slide into future. They finally showed off the absolute crazy innovations that they have planned for the year 2022 and beyond that. Within this video, we've got some next level technology and we may just got our first glimpse of the perfect Galaxy Note Z upgrade. Literally everything we have discussed in the past few weeks on this channel is indeed happening. So the video starts off with the first product, aka Galaxy S Foldable. As we talked about this already, this is a multi-folding tablet. It can go from a huge tablet size all the way to a Galaxy Z Flip size. It's like a perfect combo between the Z Flip and the Z Fold. It's got that dual hinge design and you can see it goes to that small form factor seamlessly, and Samsung is kind of highlighting all those multitasking aspects. We've got Instagram, video and music playing all at the same time on that same screen. Moving on, we have one of the most awaited technologies. Under panel camera is finally here. It's not just for smartphones, it's also for laptops. Then they show off probably the most craziest product in the video, which is a 17-inch foldable laptop. Yes, it looks absolutely insane next to a traditional laptop. You can see when it's completely unfolded, we have a huge 17-inch display that looks absolutely stunning. And once you fold it, it turns into this next generation foldable OLED laptop. There's this portable display. They also say that their next generation OLED screen will have 22% less blue light emission. And then finally, we have our first glimpse at that slidable smartphone design. The Galaxy Z series needs a Note phone, and this is that perfect upgrade. Look how seamlessly this phone goes from a high-end bezel-less Note look to a full-on tablet. This technology is that perfect comeback for the Galaxy Note lineup. Next year, pretty much all flagship devices from Samsung will have S Pen support. So this makes all the sense in the world. The Note Z needs to happen. Samsung has crazy amount of loyal fan base when it comes to the Note lineup, and they're waiting for the next big Note innovation. Now the absolute best thing about this whole video is that Samsung is not a selfish company. They're gonna give all this tech to other companies as well. Very likely in the distant future, you will see Samsung giving their best foldable tech to other brands including Apple, Xiaomi, Google, and other Chinese brands. Because of Samsung, you'll be able to see some great innovations from the whole tech world. Samsung is definitely a true innovator and they're damn good at what they love. And lastly, coming back to the present, Samsung is ready for the next Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 launch, which is going to happen in the month of August. According to Universe, Samsung has done some massive improvements to the hinge and the overall mechanism of the next foldable lineup, and he even says that the crease on the display won't be visible. That is an absolute insane claim. We'll wait and see if Samsung really has nailed to that level or not. Right now, every single foldable phone, no matter how advanced it is, has a visible crease. So if Samsung really did pull this off, it's gonna take the Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 3 to an absolute untouchable level. So that's all the latest news. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Make sure to comment below what you think about the new technologies, what's your favorite product, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.